In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Asana, definitive guide. If you're evaluating modern work management platforms, this walkthrough will give you a clear, practical understanding of what sets ClickUp and Asana apart, how their AI features actually help day to day, and which one might fit your team's needs. We'll keep things straightforward, focus on how these tools support real workflows, and call out the strengths that matter when you're trying to move projects forward without adding extra complexity. Let's start with the problem both platforms are trying to solve: scattered work. When tasks, updates, and knowledge live across chats, docs, and multiple tools, context gets lost and decisions slow down. ClickUp frames this as work sprawl, noting that a large share of effort often disappears in the gaps between tools. Asana highlights a similar pain point, focusing on connecting daily tasks to strategic goals so teams always know what's important and why. Both aim to centralize work, reduce manual status chasing, and make collaboration more intentional. ClickUp positions itself as software to replace many separate tools by unifying tasks, docs, goals, whiteboards, and dashboards in one place. At the heart of that promise is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that surfaces answers, helps manage projects, and includes AI, talk-to-text, so you can capture updates quickly. A big differentiator is its specialized AI agents built for specific functions. Project management agents track deliverables and keep execution on pace. Marketing agents assist with drafting copy and campaign collateral. Software agents can help generate and refine code. There are also agents for operations and employee experience that reduce status check-ins and streamline routine follow-ups, all aimed at tightening the link between strategy and execution. The platform emphasizes enterprise readiness through global security standards like SOC 2 and GDPR. It's designed for scale, touting significant time savings and fast payback periods, with claims of a substantial return on investment and meaningful hours saved across large organizations. The overall message is breadth, automation, and speed. Centralize more, automate more, and ship faster. Asana, on the other hand, frames itself as the leading platform for human plus AI collaboration. It's built to help teams manage work, projects, and tasks online, with a strong emphasis on clarity of priorities, ownership, and timelines. Asana AI introduces AI teammates and smart assists that learn from your organization's context and improve the more they're used. Rather than positioning itself as an all-in-one replacement for many tools, Asana leans into being a powerful orchestration layer that connects to a wide ecosystem, with support for more than 300 integrations. It offers robust capabilities for project management, structured workflows, and resource management, and it provides targeted solutions for groups like marketing, operations, and IT. A core advantage is how Asana links day-to-day execution to company-level objectives, so teams can see how each task ladders up to outcomes. Asana's market presence includes widespread enterprise adoption, recognition in industry analyst reports, and strong credibility among large organizations that need clarity, governance, and reliability at scale. When we compare the two, their philosophies come into focus. ClickUp leans toward replacing multiple tools and layering in AI agents to automate work across departments. If you want one environment to plan, write, track, and report, and you're eager to harness AI for drafting, summarizing, and accelerating execution, that integrated approach can be compelling. Asana emphasizes connecting people, processes, and tools through a flexible framework that grows smarter with use. If you rely on a diverse tool stack and want AI that augments your team's processes without forcing a wholesale switch, Asana's integration-first strategy fits well. Think about AI in practical terms. With ClickUp, the promise is concrete delegation to specialized agents, Useful if you want AI to proactively move work along and reduce manual follow-ups. With Asana, AI teammates and assists aim to understand your business context, improve suggestions, and help guide prioritization, resourcing, and flow without imposing a single way of working. Both approaches reduce administrative overhead, but the flavor is different. Action-oriented agents in ClickUp, and context-aware orchestration in Asana. Consider structure and scale. ClickUp's all-in-one model can simplify adoption if you're consolidating tools or building a new operating system for work. It can also be attractive if you prefer centralized admin, unified analytics, and a single AI layer across functions. Asana's strength is clarity and alignment, especially in environments where multiple tools are non-negotiable. Its extensive integrations and enterprise governance make it well-suited for organizations that prioritize visibility across systems, auditability, and standardized processes. Security and trust matter for both. Each highlights enterprise-grade protections and global standards, which helps when you're working across departments with sensitive data. If compliance is a deciding factor, evaluate your specific requirements and confirm how each platform handles data residency, permissions, and admin controls within your environment. To choose confidently, map your use cases first. If your goal is to consolidate scattered work and empower teams with AI that can draft, summarize, and push tasks forward across many functions, ClickUp's breadth and agent model may fit better. If your primary aim is to align teams to goals, orchestrate complex cross-functional workflows, and plug into an existing ecosystem with hundreds of integrations, Asana stands out. Either way, run a focused pilot. Include a project manager, a marketing stakeholder, an operations lead, and someone from IT. Test how AI suggestions, automations, and reporting feel in real workflows. Pay special attention to how easy it is to find context, hand off work, and understand progress without status meetings. Wrap up by looking at outcomes, not features. Ask whether the platform helps your team move faster with fewer meetings, whether leaders have real-time visibility into goals and capacity, and whether individual contributors feel the tool saves them time rather than adding extra steps. The right choice is the one that turns everyday work into a clear, connected system that supports your strategy and scales as you grow. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to our channel.